Welcome to 10 Minutes Paper, where today we're delving into a comprehensive research paper on sustainable use of space, addressing the intertwined economic, technological, and legal perspectives. As humanity extends its reach beyond Earth, ensuring the longevity and safety of outer space activities has become paramount. This analysis is based on discussions from the first Sustainable Space Economy workshop, highlighting the urgent need for international cooperation and innovation to secure space's future. The growing concern of space debris. Space, the final frontier, is becoming increasingly cluttered. With every launch, the risk of space debris escalates, posing a significant threat to satellites and other space endeavors. This paper underscores the critical issue of space debris, emphasizing the collective responsibility to maintain the outer space environment for current and future generations. Legal perspectives. Our journey begins with a look at the legal frameworks governing space activities. Despite the United Nations efforts through various treaties, the rapid advancement and commercialization of space activities have outpaced existing regulations, highlighting a need for updated international laws that embrace sustainability as a core principle. Economic insights. The paper then navigates through the economic challenges of managing outer space as a common pool resource. It introduces innovative concepts like satellite sustainability footprint and orbit capacity to measure and manage the impact of satellites on space sustainability. Through economic lenses, it discusses the importance of incentivizing responsible behaviors and creating mechanisms for fair access to space resources. Technological solutions. Technologically, the paper offers insights into the advancements required to mitigate space debris and enhance satellite sustainability. It advocates for improved spacecraft design, active debris removal technologies, and the development of international standards for satellite operations to ensure a sustainable utilization of space. Policy recommendations. Central to the discussion are policy recommendations aimed at fostering international collaboration. The paper calls for comprehensive strategies that integrate legal, economic, and technological perspectives to ensure the sustainable use of outer space. It emphasizes the role of global governance structures in facilitating dialogue, setting standards, and enforcing compliance among spacefaring nations and entities. Conclusion. In closing, this analysis paints a picture of a future where sustainable space usage is not just an ideal but a reality. By marrying economic incentives with technological innovation within a robust legal framework, we can safeguard the cosmos for exploration, innovation, and shared human heritage. The call to action is clear. Only through global cooperation and commitment can we ensure that outer space remains a vast, unspoiled frontier for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on 10 Minutes Paper. Today's exploration of sustainable use of space reveals the complexities and the urgent need for a unified approach to space governance. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the responsibility to act wisely and sustainably has never been more critical. Link of the paper is given in the video description. Subscribe for more insightful analyses, and together, let's keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge and exploration. Until then, stay curious.